We've set off on Cat Museum Expedition 2007. We're walking through Kuching to get to the bus station. There it is, like a beacon on the hill, the Cat Museum. As we approach the Cat Museum, we're going to take this opportunity to do a little interview with Christine. Christine.
Yeah?
How does it feel approaching the Cat Museum?
It's really thrilling. It's really sort of like a synthesis of all of the things that I've dreamed up in my life. To take in cats in a whole new way.
Interesting. Why do you feel that way about cats?
I just love cats. I don't know.
What do you think the Cat Museum's going to include? And what are you looking forward to?
There's going to be a mummified cat. I read about it.
Really?
I think it's going to talk about the wisdom of cats. Maybe why the city was named after the cats, and why cats should be so revered.
Interesting. Well, we've got a little bit more walking to do, and then we're going to check it out. The Cat Museum is at the top of a painfully steep hill. We've no choice but to walk in the blazing heat, all for cats. We're almost there. As you approach the museum, the first question that goes through your head is, how does an out-of-the-way city in Southeast Asia have a cat museum that's nicer than most museums in all the rest of the world? This must be one of the oddest museums I've ever seen. Once you're inside the Cat Museum, the mystery is heightened even further. It's just full of display boxes of cat kitsch from all over the world. Over here, for example, is a story of a woman whose cat died, so she had the ashes of the cremated cat mixed with ink and had a tattoo put onto her leg.
Oh my goodness.
Hello, kitty. The wall of cat owners and their stories, including Ernest Hemingway. Abraham Lincoln, and of course, Sir Isaac Newton. There's also the cat books collection, but they keep it behind lock and key. Can't get in. A section on cat funerals. The museum has the only mounted specimen of the bay cat, found only here in Borneo. we figured out that this is actually City Hall, and City Hall has a cat museum in it, and also the world famous production of Cats and Culture, which I was a part of. So the question now becomes, why doesn't our City Hall have a cat museum and a dance production every week?